Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Dear parents, we made this video to introduce HIS Group of Schools mobile app. This app is launched for helping all the parents to check homeworks, schedules, learning material and other important communications regarding offline and online classes. Now we will be showing you the guidelines to access the school app. To access the school app, we need to go to Play Store or App Store. I'll show you how to go to Play Store and type HIS Group of Schools app. This is a Play Store. Open this and here you need to type HIS Group of Schools. Once you type HIS Group of Schools, here you will be getting an app. You need to click on this app. Let's click. I'm clicking on this app and here we got HIS Group of Schools. As I have already downloaded this school app, so I am getting an option to open it. If you have not installed, you will get the option to install it. As I have installed, I got the option to open. Now I am opening this app. Once I open this app, I am getting username option and password option. Once I type username and password, I have to log in. But the question is that from where you will get this username and password to log in. We get this username and password from school. Let's open WhatsApp and check what username and password I have received from my school. I am opening WhatsApp and opening the class, and this is a message what I have received from my school. Here if you see, use this code below to enroll and start using it. This is the message we need to concentrate. Use this code below to enroll and start using it. Your one, Zehra Batul Siddiqui, grade 10th code 19H1M0551. So this is the code which we got from our school. To make you more clear, this code is the username. I repeat again, the code which you got from school is your username and password. Mean to say that username and password is same. Let's open this app and type it. I have opened this app and here I am typing the code what I got as a username. I got the code is 19 capital H capital I capital M 0186. So I have typed the code what I got from school as a username. Now what I will do, I will copy this and I will paste the same username in password. If you click on this I, if you see here, username and password both are same. This is a code what you received from your school. So the same code you need to type in username and same you have to paste it in password. See here, username and password is same. Once you type, click in login. So these are your students of this class. If you want, suppose you have two children in same school, here on the top, if you see, there is a plus sign. You need to click on this plus sign. Let's click on this plus sign. Here add sibling option will come. Already two students are added. Please, yeah. Already two students are added. You have two children. I will delete this and show you. click on this plus sign. Here one of your another children of the same school, Rumesa Naz, is here, of grade 1A. Click on this sibling added successfully. So your two children are added in the same app. So this is how you need to log in HIS Group of School app. Thank you so much for watching.